Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to connect your ConvertKit sequence to ClickFunnels. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't miss the free trial link in the description below. And if you already have an account, just log in and follow along. First, you'll need a Zapier account to connect ConvertKit with ClickFunnels. Head over to your Zapier dashboard, click Create, and then select Zaps. If you need any assistance, the Zapier Copilot is there to help you through the process. Next, select both ConvertKit and ClickFunnels from the list of available apps. On the right side of your screen, you'll be prompted to connect your ConvertKit account. Click Sign In, and when asked for the API key, open ConvertKit in a new tab. Go to Settings, then Advanced, and choose Developer Settings. Copy your API secret key, head back to Zapier, and paste it in. Once done, click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit, and you're all set. Now, repeat the same process to log into your ClickFunnels account. After both accounts are connected, configure your automation settings as needed. Finally, click Publish Zap, and your integration will be live. I hope this video makes the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.